last pack. Come on. Come on. Give me at least one thing that I can be excited about. Max Crosby, Lamar Jackson, Cortland Sutton, Bobby Wagner, the other Josh Allen again. I've got a special video today. I've got myself 10 packs of NFL Optic 2020. These are not cheap in Australia and also not easy to find. But I did buy them retail with post. But I think they're still about $25 a pack. And I've been very nervous about opening these because, yeah, if I hit nothing, then it's a lot of money down the drain because the resale value on the commons is not a whole lot. But it's a rainy day here. Just waiting for Carmen to finish work, so I thought, let's do it. Let's risk it for the biscuit, as they say. This thing only records for 10 minutes, so I'll probably have to stop halfway through. Okay, we'll put the pile back there. I've got all the accessories and that here. Dalvin Cook. David Montgomery. There's something black in the back. Carson Wentz. Kenny Galladay. Rob Gronkowski. We've got Deshaun Watson of all people. Okay, we want the rooks. We want the rookies. Tommy Stevens and Dwayne Haskins. Something stuck to that one. I got my boy Josh. Mike Williams. Geez, they stick a lot. Michael Thomas and Odell Beckham Jr. So I got Josh, not that exciting, but it's the first one I've ever pulled to him. So Dwayne Haskins and Tommy Steins are the... That's not a Dwayne Haskins rookie. I was thinking that it's not his year. So just the one rook in that one. And a terrible, terrible insert of Deshaun Watson. Not a terrible insert, but... yeah, I'm hitting the Watson backs here. You got a green. Nick Chubb. Derek Carr. They don't collect the bases either, so that's why it's like... ugh. I might have to start. Julian Edelman. AJ Green, John Hightower the fourth, Utah Gross Motos, Darius Leonard, Travis Kelce, Mike Gesicki, DJ Moore, and there's out of Deshaun Watson. Ooh, 2 in, and definitely not $50 worth of cards so far. Yeah. Quarterbacks who are struggling at the moment continued. The Jimmy G on the back. Adam Thielen. Tyler Boyd. Miles Sanders. Kerryon Johnson. Chris Goodwin. Josh Jacobs. Damon Arnett. Jeez. Jared Goff. Tre'Davious White. Taysom Hill, Dak Prescott, Jimmy Garoppolo. Jeez, that's no parallel, no one awful rookie. Jeez. It's about as bad as it can get. Come on. I'm going to hit at least one card I can be excited about for $250 bloody. Aaron Jones, Ryan Tannehill, Austin Eckler, Marquise Hollywood Brown, Drew Brees, Tom Brady, the old quarterback thing, Javon Kinlaw, Saquon Barkley, Amari Cooper, Nick Bosa, Phillip Rivers. So, oh Lord. Back to back, nothing packs. I've got some colour at least. Sam Darnold, Von Miller, DK Metcalf, Gardner Minshew, Larry Fitzgerald, Julian Okwara. Hopefully he's at least the first round pick. Jonathan Taylor, he's probably the best overall card I got so far, which is scary. Will Fuller, Tyreek Hill, Devontae Parker, Devin Bush, and Zadarius Smith. Oh. Julio Jones, Stephon Gilmore, Baker, Juju, Devontae Adams, Henry Ruggs III, rated rookie, green parallel, Eno Benjamin, TJ Watt, JJ Watt, Patrick Mahomes, there we go, he's got the base of him, Teddy Bridgewater, and Sterling Shepard. So, Henry Ruggs, it's about as good as it's getting at the moment. And we're 6 in. We've got 4 to go. Aaron Rodgers, Derrick Henry, Max Crosby, Lamar Jackson. Oh, we got something really shiny back there. Cortland Sutton, Downtown Chase Young. Okay, so I'm just going through what I got, and apparently Chase Young Downtown was kind of a good pull. Wow. Anywhere from $300 to $500. Holy jeez. Nice looking card, but don't know if it's worth a whole heap. Rookie is Ross Blacklock, there's Stephon, Daniel Jones, Ezekiel Elliott, George Kittle, and Darius Leonard. Oh, gee. Thought me something crazy when I saw that silver shining. Bobby Wagner, the other Josh Allen, DeAndre Hopkins, Adam Thielen, Tyler Boyd, Jedrick Wills, Trevon Diggs, Stephon's brother, Travis Kelce, Mike Gesicki, DJ Moore, Deshaun Watson, and Ryan Kerrigan. Watch others. I've been watching quite a few because I've been so worried about opening these and getting nothing. I think if I put this up, which I don't even know if I will at the moment, like, yeah, I'll be the one of all. Yeah, don't always open them. Maybe sometimes resell them. John Mixon. Come on, Denzel Mims. Jalen Hurts. I need some injuries, I think, to get some of those guys to be worth something. Last pack, come on. Give me at least one thing that I can be excited about. Max Crosby, Lamar Jackson, Cortland Sutton, Bobby Wagner, the other Josh Allen again, Joe Burrow, rated rookie. That's about as good as it gets for these packs for me. That's at least something. Joe Burrow, green prism, Logan Wilson, Odell Beckham Jr., TJ Watt, JJ Watt again. There's Patrick Mahomes. I think those 4 seem to run together in these packs. So yeah, that was interesting to say the least. Where's oh, swear I had the holder here somewhere. There it is. We'll bust open this fella. yeah, those packs, EB Games had a launch, and I was at an op shop and I just happened to log on and had a quick look. So I thought, oh, well, I'll grab some football. I got some other basketball coming, and I opened up some hoops, and I got nothing really in that either. So there we go. Joe Burrow, red rookie, green parallel. So guess go Bengals. We need him to go off. Yeah, hope you enjoyed that, because yeah, I wanted a signature, or something high end would have been really nice. But I'm sure there's some people out there that would be considered a good one.